Hello friends and welcome to Boost Your Career, the place where you learn the skills to grow in your career. Today we are going to talk about a very unique problem while pasting the data in a filtered cells and how to solve that issue. Suppose this data is state fruits and crop. I filtered this data on a state of Maharashtra and I want to paste the data from the fruits column to crop column like this. So I will go ahead and copy this data, these four cells, and I want to paste this into the column of D in front of Maharashtra only. But what is happening? I'm not able to paste the data correctly because this particular data I copied from column C got pasted in the filtered rows as well from 5 to 17. So I'll just unfilter the data and show you where this got pasted. It got pasted in only first four cells, whereas I wanted to paste in front of Maharashtra state only, which it didn't get pasted. Again, one more issue that we face, we are going to talk about this. So I filter this data again on Maharashtra and I want to copy the data from different source, different database, and want to paste this data in front of Maharashtra state only like this. Suppose I do the control V, I am facing the same issue only. Data is didn't get pasted in front of Maharashtra state. How to solve this issue? So let us go ahead and learn how to paste the data in the filtered cells, that means only in visible cells. So stay tuned till the end of this video because you are going to learn very useful information from this video. So this is the data that we have: states, fruits and crops. I'll filter this data on the state of Maharashtra and I want to paste this data into these cells that is under crop, which I cannot copy and paste like this as we have seen because it get pasted in the filtered cells also. So how can we do that? So I will select these cells and then I will go to right and just do Control R. You can see by doing Control R, all what is there on the left hand side will get pasted on the right hand side, get copied and pasted in the right hand side. I'll just unfilter the data and show you that whatever I have copied by doing Control R, it got pasted in front of the state of Maharashtra only. So we have correct data. I'll do Control Z again. And what if my data that I want to paste, the cells falls on the left hand side? For example, if I add the particular column, one column I will add on this side, and I want to copy this data and paste it in these cells, which is on the left hand side of the cells. We don't have any shortcut like Control L as such to copy and paste from right to left. So there is another method. So I'll select these cells and I will select these cells again and go to fill option. Under home we have fill option and then copy to left side because my data falls on the left hand side of the data from which I want to copy and paste. So I'll click on left. Now you can see here my data got pasted in front of Maharashtra only, which was my filtered cell. I will again delete this particular column. So this is the one way of doing, two ways rather of doing pasting the data in the filtered cell. What if I have the data in some other database, like here we have this state and in front of it the crop is written, but this data is not filtered. This unfiltered data I want to copy and filter against state of Maharashtra only in these cells, filtered cells. If I go here, copy this unfiltered cells and paste in a filtered cell, that is visible cells only, I will not able to do that because my data get pasted in the cells which are not filtered. That means the other cells also the data get pasted, so data becomes incorrect. So how do I do that? So there are two methods by which I can do this. First is I can sort this data on the state. That what will happen because of sorting this data, I will just unfilter the data now and I will sort this as per A to Z. Now you can see here this data got sorted on the states, different states. So Gujarat is first, and this data got combined. Now all these Maharashtra cells got combined over here. So I can easily copy these cells, all these cells which are unfiltered, and now can paste it over here. So this is the one method of doing that. So I'll do it unfiltered again. Now you can see what happened here when I pasted the data by doing the sorting. The previous data got disturbed, right? So it got sorted as per the state of Maharashtra. If I don't want to do that, there is another method by which I can do this. What I can do, I can add numbers over here. So I'll first of all filter the data on the state of Maharashtra, because in front of Maharashtra only I want to paste this data from other data source. So I'll copy and paste it over here, which is not operating right now. So I'll add numbers on the left hand side of the column. Any column I can do that. If column is not available, I can add the column by doing control plus sign, and I will create this number series. But I have created this number series on the filtered cells only. Only for Maharashtra I have created this number series 1, 2, 3, 4. Similar thing I will put it over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I have created this number series in this data source also, which is from where I want to copy the data and paste it over here. But I will not copy and paste it in the cells under crop. I will use the formula VLOOKUP. I have created a separate video on how to create the VLOOKUP formula. So I will use VLOOKUP formula here, is equal to VLOOKUP. Tab lookup value is this number now. So it will search this number in this database. So lookup value becomes my number which I added. Table array, this particular table I will select from this number series which I created in the data source as well. So from the number series, because my number becomes my unique value, and this table I will copy from number series, and then I will lock this table because I want to copy the formula down. Lock by function key F4. So table array I have added. Now comma, column index number from the number series, that first column, second column and third column. So I will put 3 here, exact value 0, and then I will complete VLOOKUP formula, and then I will enter. Now I will copy this formula down. So I will select a cell, Control D or Control C and Control V. I can copy the formula down. Now I will unfilter the data and see what happens. You can see here the data got added in front of Maharashtra state only with the help of formula that I use. I never copied and pasted in these cells. But right now there is a formula in my column in this particular data. So I will remove the formula by selecting this data, Control C and Alt ESV, that is paste special. I can do it by right click also, so I will show you that as well. Right click, paste special, here is paste special, and paste special values. Paste special values. Now you can see here the formula is being removed. And then after that, once my formula is removed, I will delete this column which I added temporarily here and here as well. So I will delete the column from here, or I can delete these numbers once my work is done. So I have got this data pasted only in the filtered cells like this with the help of VLOOKUP formula. So this is the way I can copy and paste the data on the filtered cells. Never do like this. Never do like this, that you cells are filtered and you are copying the data from some other cells which are not filtered, and then you are pasting it over here. It will never get pasted. If it get pasted, the data will be incorrect. So we will not do this mistake, and we have learned something new, that how to copy and paste the data in the filtered cells. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel if you want to learn the skills that help you to grow in the career. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.